Highly commercialized and residential cities like Colombo, for example, have very limited space for anything. Do you know that more than 500,000 vehicles enter the city of Colombo on a daily basis? It is directly affecting many commercial establishments, especially when their customers find it difficult to find parking. It actually affects all stakeholders, including employees, because they need a safe and convenient space to park. DIMO pioneered the automated car parking concept in Sri Lanka, which is gaining a lot of momentum lately. Automated car parking systems are state-of-the-art solutions offered by DIMO to maximize the space utilization inside a building. We can provide both standalone and building integrated solutions to meet the design requirements and government regulations. These solutions can save up to 60% of the building space compared to conventional parking area. To date, we have provided automated parking slots for more than 400 vehicles in multiple locations. DIMO offers customized elevators for vehicles in addressing this problem, eliminating cost of constructing vehicle ramps, saving space and cutting down on time to travel through different parking levels inside the buildings. Parking space optimization is also a growing concern for apartments and residences. DIMO has introduced tailor-made residential parking solutions which double the parking capacity and can accommodate both SUVs and cars. All our installations are provided with round-the-clock 365-day after-sales support, providing peace of mind to all our customers. Thank you for the trust you have placed in DIMO. We look forward to providing solutions to all your parking needs.